When picking double-sided locks such as this GM car door lock, it is necessary to pick both sides of the keyway. Rake one side, maintain light tension wrench pressure, remove the pick, turn it over and rake the opposite side. Repeat the process until the lock opens. A popular car tool is a jiggler key. This example was improvised by cutting a key blank with only one forecut on both sides at the tip of the key. To use this jiggler, the key is inserted and a constant light torque is applied to the key. It is then wiggled in and out until the lock opens. The lock can also be relocked just as easily. The commercially available jiggler keys, seen here, are far superior due to their complex design and edge variety. These will open most double and single-sided car doors in seconds. The technique for the improvised and commercial jiggler remains the same. To use an electric pick on a double-sided lock, like this car club, insert a tension wrench in the center of the keyway. Insert the pick on either side and vibrate the pins. Insert the pick on the opposite side and repeat until the lock opens. The easiest way to open almost any club is with one of the commercially available jigglers, such as this ball key. To open this lock, simply insert the key, apply light rotational torque, and wiggle the pick in and out as shown on the previous car door. When the plug turns, the lock is open. To pick the club with standard picks, insert the tension wrench into the center of the keyway and apply light pressure. Next, insert a pick such as this small diamond on either side and rake 4 or 5 times. Insert the pick on the opposite side and do the same. Repeat the process until the lock opens.